So guys, here we have the keys to the all new Audi Q3 Sportback Bold Edition. As you can see, the logo has been blacked out, the grille has been blacked out, the air vents have been blacked out. The air vents are for an aesthetic purpose. Are they functional? No, they're not functional. You get parking sensors right over there in the front. You get a big bold grille, which is a signature feature of an Audi. The headlights are LED headlamps and quite gorgeous at night. You get these sort of pattern over here, an arrow pattern on the headlamps, quite beautiful. And this is the same design language of the Q7, so it looks like a baby Q7. And the Q3 is the best car right now in the entry level segment. The basic competition is the GLA, the X1 and the Q3. The Q3 is much better than both of them. I'll tell you why. And this is quite a hot selling product of Audi right now. Let's just have a walk around over here. Quite a gorgeous looking car. You can see blacked out Audi logo. The Q3 badging has been blacked out. You have the Quattro badging right over here. Yes, this is the four-wheel drive vehicle. You also have the parking sensor over here and a bit of a rear diffuser treatment over there, blacked out elements throughout the car because this is the Bold Edition and this is the Q3 Sportback. So you have this sloping coupe-like style design, which is the actual definition of a Sportback. So yeah, let's start off with the front passenger door. You get the S line badging right over here, blacked out side view mirrors. Do you get a 360-degree camera? No, that's quite a disappointment. You have blacked out element over there, blacked out trim right over there, and थोड़ा strong character line है इसको. अभी शाम हो रही जल्दी से we'll do. Oh yeah, coming to the door panel, you can see ambient lighting has been given on the door panel, looking quite beautiful, quite subtle, not too much. And you have illuminated tread plates for the S line, so looking quite nice and posh. Now sitting in the front passenger seat, you get an air vent over here, Quattro illuminated right over here, aluminium finishing and inlay. How's the glove box? Yeah, decent size. Papers and manual वगैरह fit हो जाएगा. So yeah, and what do you say? I have a bit of ambient lighting right over there. Door pockets are decent size, not too much. And अगर बैठा जाए गाड़ी में तो yeah, quite comfortable. Headroom भी एकदम ज़्यादा नहीं है, but it isn't lacking also. As you can see, take a judgment from this. Let me turn on the interior lights. So lights over here are gestured, like काफ़ी प्यारा लग रहा है. You also get the passenger airbag वगैरह का warning over there. On है या off है. This is for your sunroof. ये center console है. This is to turn on the lights of the front console and this is during the door. ठीक है, पूरा दिया हुआ है काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से. तो now let's move on to the rear seat of this car. Door handles are traditional, request censored, only in the front two doors, not at the rear doors. And let's see if it is actually better than the GLA and the X1. Ambient lighting का placement काफ़ी अच्छा है, brushed aluminium inlays है. Door handles quite innovative, हाँ. ये नया डिज़ाइन quite attractive, थोड़ा सा 3D डिज़ाइन है. And you have this grab handle over here. Fit and finish Audi का तो कोई बात ही नहीं है. Look at the door thada. That satisfying noise of that German this thing, and you can also see the character lines running throughout the rear shoulder. तो या now let's see. डोर पॉकेट छोटा है पीछे के दरवाजे में, एक बॉटल बड़ी 1 लीटर की फिट हो जानी चाहिए. एंड अभी पीछे की सीट जो है इट हैज़ बीन रिक्लाइंड टू माई हाइट 6 feet. तो स्टिल यू हैव डिसेंट नी रूम एंड डिसेंट मतलब क्रैम्प्ड अप नहीं फील होता है, बट देयर इज डिसेंट knee room. You have nets over here. You get 2 AC vents right over here. You get what you say a rear armrest over here and 2 cup holders right over there. And इसमें देखो it has been finished. I don't know if you can see it. हाँ. So इसमें you get the portion covered in some leatherette. Nice. You also get nice leatherette feeling seats. You get isofix points right over here. 4 isofix points, quite nice. Seat belt holders over here. Third passenger also gets a headrest. पीछे के दो को तो मिलते ही है. And yeah. So yes, as I told you, it's a Sportback, so it has a sloping, boot design. Now let's open it. It's powered or not? Yes, it is powered. It's a powered tailgate. And you get huge amount of boot space, huge, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा. Some hooks over here, hook, you have some holding spaces over here and there. Tie down hooks ऊपर रखे गए यहाँ पे, and यहाँ पे get some light placement right over there. तो yeah, you get aluminium loading lip. So yeah, quite nice. बड़ा boot space है. ये बंद हो गया. Moving to the fuel cap. ये थोड़ा cheap लग रहा है fuel cap. You have the specs over here. Audi petrol TFSI है, तो it is a petrol engine, yes, but ठीक है. And coming to the rear seats again. अब यहाँ पे you can see that the knee room is quite decent. 3 लोग बैठ सकते हैं. थोड़ा crampy होगा, but not too much crampy also. And the sloping roof line doesn't affect the headroom also too much. यहाँ पीछे से ऐसा लग रहा है, देखो, quite nice. तो फिर yes. So this is the front driver's door panel. You can see ambient lighting, same design for your side view mirrors, power window controls over here, rear window child lock. Door pockets are quite decent size. You get these locking and unlocking feature over there, S-line tread plate. And now let's sit in the car and try to start it. You get an Audi virtual cockpit. So you get all digital display. So now let's start it. ये start stop button है. तो यहाँ पे हम प्रेस करते हैं. These are the volume controls. This is for your volume control of your music system. ये drive select है sports वगैरह का. This is for your traction control to on it or off it. This is for your auto hold control. This is for your parking sensors and this is for your hazard lamp. अरे ये FM कहाँ चालू हो गया, तो इसको म्यूट करना, तो बस इसको प्रेस कर दिया. ओके. आर्मरेस्ट का what you say storage space is also decent, not too much. Charging points नहीं दिख रहे यार गाड़ी में. There's no charging points. There's your electronic parking, brake. ये बस एक 12 वोल्ट का चार्जर इधर है. This is for your key. Key is also quite old. I think the key should have been new. पुरानी की के जैसा लग रहा है. So that should have been updated. Interior काफ़ी अच्छा है, ठीक है. The screen is also good. So continue as guest. Yeah, you have the FM वगैरह. Touch is quite responsive. ठीक है, smooth है. थोड़ा ये है, लैग है, बट it's smooth as of right now. Then you have telephone, you have FM, this is for your navigation, you have radio, phone apps, media, car may have all of this thing. If you go in the drive select right over here, so you can see efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, which is the sports mode, and you also have the off-road mode, and you have individual modes on all the car. तीनों German brands ये ऑप्शन आपको देते हैं. ये क्या है? This is for your setup and everything. ठीक है, you have navigation, settings and all. ठीक है, this is very quick set. So this is your virtual cockpit. You have some controls over here. This is for moving it up and down, date and time, short-term memory, consumptions वगैरह, energy consumption and all. ये तो quite अच्छा है Audi का virtual cockpit. Never disappoints. But I think these designs are getting outdated. तो नया डिज़ाइन लाना चाहिए Audi ने. You get paddle shifters right over here, 2 paddle shifters. Horn is quite nice. You get a start button over here. You get volume controls over here. This is for your this thing. And what you say, this is your control. This is your gear knob. So gear knob जो है, it is your standard gear knob. ये this should also have been like an A4, you know. You get wireless charging pad over here. Oh, USB-Cs यहाँ पे 2. Okay, fine. We get USB-Cs over here. तो ये थोड़ा old traditional type है. What you say, this thing. Acceleration on this car is phenomenal. It's turbocharged definitely. The headlight controls यहाँ पे. This is for your rear fog lamp. This is for your rain lights. तो देखो rain lights अगर start करते हैं ना, तो ये side में you can notice these start like this. And what you say, these are for your headlight controls. The minimal controls and all. So compared to other cars, this is quite a nice option. Also the Q3 Sportback. So you can see the ambient lighting running over here. अब इसके अंदर we'll see कि कितने ambient lighting are being given to us. तो parking है, driver assist में what all will be getting, speed warning, rest recommendation. अरे ये तो एकदम basic है यार. Come on. Audio drive select, parking aid, efficiency, AC, servicing, हाँ, lights and vision. Let's see in lights में क्या है. Background lighting में क्या है अपने पास, कितने colors है? We have 30 colors of background lighting. एकदम basic है. Audi, come on, give us some good colors now यार. Come on. This is your purple. दिखता अच्छा है definitely, but come on यार, Audi as a brand is very excellent. I don't know what they have done to the Indian market, why they're not showing that enthusiasm like Mercedes is showing. So yeah, so I think that Audi will do a comeback, a great comeback. I always have that feeling. Yes, Audi, you can do it, and definitely it won't disappoint. These are all the what you say, ambient lighting and everything, ambience of this car. Touch points सारे ठीक है, not scratchy, soft है, and aluminium inlays है इधर, तो scratchy bits नहीं है, everything is soft on touch, nothing is scratchy as in such, but I think the design has become outdated and Audi should, you know, start off with a new design. Let's turn off this car and see it from outside. तो बस यही है. तो this is the car, this is the review. Audi, all new Audi Q3 Sportback, and it's quite a gorgeous looking car, cute है and quite nice.